Yun ba yun? Yun ba yung ano? So, luma na yun eh. Sige nga, pakinggan ko yung version mo.
Pangit. Mas maganda
Sige
siya.
lang, sige lang. Ota mo. Hindi ako nakikinig. Ako yung naglalagay lang ng version.
Hindi ko pala nakikinig eh. Hindi na ako.
No, what I mean is, huwag ka naman ilang, oh. Hindi kita tinitingnan, oh. Okay, fine.
Nanganak ka eh.
O, dali na.
Ano ba rin? Naiya ako.
Naiiyak ko pala lagay na yan.
We share a place, a special
Get
time
time
together.
together.
It seems
Like
like
a
a
love. Can't
Ayun.
much.
Huwag ka
Dali
tumingin.
na. Hindi ako natingin.
Nangaano ko eh.
Natingin ako doon sa kabila. Inisip ko, ano nga ba yung ano? Yung bedsheet nito.
Tears.
Ayan.
As you could be, no longer last forever. We're more than just lovers.
We're good friends.
Even if our love drift away, I wouldn't even think twice if I wanted love back again.
Because I still say yes to you again. My darling, for you, I do it all again.
Oh, I still say yes to you again. My darling, for you,
I do it over and over again.
again.
Yeah. Sarap po talaga ka-chewy. Nakakainis. Nakaka-azar.
Ano ba?
Ano ba?
Where did I go?
How
How did
does
I
it end?
True love, it seems so easy.
Easy.
Cause we have no doubts where we belong. Oh, basic time can heal
A broken heart, true love never ends.
So why not start
Where to begin?
Because I still
say yes to you again. My darling, for you, I do it all again.
Oh, I
Yes,
still
say
say
yes to you again. My darling, for you, I do it over and over again.
again.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Pa-pa-ra-pa-pa.
Love ko to. McDonald's tayo. Parang bigla ako nag-grip tuloy sa McDonald's fries.
Ayan.
Alam mo yan.
Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
At dahil dyan, gusto ko ng fries.